can't believe it's gonna take me that long.
There's the captain. Always upstairs. Know each other. Happy birthday, June!
Hi, thanks for having me.
Cheers to the birthday girl.
Thank you for having us.
Are you cold? Want my jacket?
I can see the curtain. Oh.
OMG. Wait.
Birthday, dear June and Laura.
Roll out the bits.
A lot of presents.
Lots of presents, huh?
Lots of presents, June.
Great.